equal to 1 times 138.
You don't have to do any math. You don't have to do any math. So what was Chris, help him out. What was the mass of the cube?
0.38.
0.38 what? Don't forget your labels.
Ounces.
So 0.38 ounces over what was the volume?
1 inch cubed.
1 inch cubed. Vargas, what is the density? 0.38 ounces over 1 inch cubed. Good job. All right. Does that make sense to you guys?
Bounced off once I started it again. I'm a little jumpy.
One side is 2. Review. Not space. What do you think, Chris? What was mass?
Volume. The amount of volume.
Volume's different, remember. Mass. Remember, my mass always stays the same.
Your weight, the amount of density.
The amount of matter in something, right? The amount, how much matter is in something. Now, what's volume? The amount of space something takes up, right? And what's matter? Remember, matter has both components. What were the 2 components? So, matter is something that, what?
Matter is something that
has
density, volume,
has volume and
mass.
Mass. Good. Matter is something that has volume and mass. And what is density? Remember, that has 2 components also. Not exactly the weight. Not exactly the weight. What's the density?
How much there is? Like, I don't know what to say.
The amount of mass in a given space. The amount of mass in a given space. Okay? Good. All right. Will we go to the next screen, please? All right, this is basically what we just talked about, but we just want to kind of review real quick. So mass, we talked about how much matter is in an object, okay? And remember, mass is constant, volume can change. Remember the crumpling of the paper, okay? The weight doesn't change, it's just this, how much space it's taking up. Okay, volume, like we talked about, how much space something takes up. Volume, as we talked about, is expressed in cubic centimeters or cubic inches. Today we did cubic inches, just for simplicity. Matter takes up space and has mass. Okay, so matter has volume and it has mass. Okay, those 2 things. And density, remember, is the amount of matter that an object has in a given space. So density also has mass and has volume. Okay? All right, next one, please. Will this be no test? Yes. Please take the following short quiz. I threw the quiz up, so we're not going to do that today. We're going to do another assessment. skip this, all these frustrated guys. Yeah, we're not going to do that. All right, next frame, please. Okay, so we're going to do a quick review.
Donuts.
Aw.
All right, guys, so if you could just fill these out for me, please put your names on them. Do the best you can. All right, so this is called the 3210 review, and it's just sort of designed to help you sort of cement the things that we talked about today. All right, so the first part, 3 facts I learned today are, okay? Second part, 2 words I want to remember are, and then 1 thing I found very interesting. And then the 0 part is, I still don't know anything about something, but would like to. So if there was something today that I sort of mentioned, and I didn't fully answer your question, and you were more interested to learn more about that, that's what that 0 is, okay? It's something that you want to know more about. All right, take a minute to do that for me if you would, guys. I think we can probably stop it. 2 seconds.